If your current SUV or truck or the one you're shopping for has a towing capacity of 5,000 pounds, which will be more than enough, then this could be your next travel trailer. This, my friends, is the 2022 Venture RV Sonic Light. This is the SL169 VUD. Hey, what's going on? I'm Dave Erickson. Thank you so much for watching. At nearly 22 feet long, 7.5 feet wide, this travel trailer sleeps up to 5, has double bunk beds inside, a panoramic automotive windshield up front, this 12-foot power awning, a dinette slide, and so much more. Today I'm going to give you a hands-on tour both inside and out, but first, a big thanks and shout out to my friends and partners at Click-It RV in Spokane, Washington for letting me share this with you. You can see all their contact information, inventory, both new and used, and services by clicking the link below or by visiting clickitrv.com. Quick tour on the outside before we go inside. This panoramic automotive windshield, which is great for letting light in and for your view from inside. And just below that, you'll see a stone guard. This, of course, to minimize any gravel and rock chips if you are going off the beaten path. And see as it transitions into a fiberglass one piece. This is a one piece that goes all the way over to the back of the travel trailer. No transitions, no extra screws and bolts, all one piece over the top. Pretty sharp. And there's, of course, your propane tank there. Underneath, you'll see your stabilizer bar. There's multiple stabilizers on this vehicle. Your pass-through, which has a really cool magnetic latch right on top, holds it, and there's all your storage. Light on this side, and then it's an easy latch as you close it. The doors, of course, on both sides. The flip-up solid steps, which I'll showcase once we go inside. Your 12-foot power awning right there, and above that you have LED lights as well as outdoor speakers. That's pretty cool for your outdoor enjoyment. You've got a pair of outlets here, also cable insert. There's your second stabilizer jack here in the back end, along with a protection bumper. Full spare tire plus more LEDs down and above. And right here, you have the option of adding a backup camera, which I would highly recommend. That's pretty sharp to have that right there. So here's your back end view. Here on the right, you've got your 6-gallon gas and electric water heater, which you have access to on the inside. To the left of that, you can shower outside, hot and cold water options. Left of that, wastewater holding tank, sewer outlet connection, and sewer holding tank. And here's a good view of the pull-out that's already extended with more windows. And those windows you see here on the right, that's where the double bunk beds are. I'll show you that here in a second. All right, let's go inside. Check this out. Door opens, got the screen option there. The steps do fold. I'll do it right now. Latches into place, and when you want to take them back down, all one piece. Pretty cool. All right, let's go in. Let's start with the kitchen now. I took the sink cover off so you can see the stainless steel sink below. 2 burner stovetop with a range hood. Microwave down below here. Really good deep cabinets up here for storage. I don't want the power on, but you got one-touch lights. Outlets here. Storage. Look how long and open these are. Your refrigerator, 8 cubic feet there. Of course, above is the freezer. Here's a great view of the slide out with booth dinette, 65 by 48 here. It drops down into a bed. You've got storage below, which, hey, maybe put your blankets down there if you want on both sides. But this drops down. These seats cushion moves, but these do not, so you don't have to worry about these sliding around when you're driving. Great for eating, playing games. The window, of course, so that is your slide out booth dinette set. I'm a big fan of this double bunk bed situation. 250-pound capacity, windows and lights on each level. So the lower sleeper and the upper sleeper, great visibility, 28 by 74 double bunk beds for the kids. That's so you got sleeping for 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5. This is a 60 by 75 inch bed with overhead cabinets. And there's that panoramic automotive windshield I was telling you about. So storage above, controls, storage on the side. Really nice space, nice use of space here. TV there, lights. Yes, sir. Full bathroom here in the end. Inside, you'll see a beautiful skylight, as well as a vent with exhaust fan. The toilet down below has a foot flush style. Very nice. Your full sink. Of course, your shower itself for taller individuals. Got that little indent in the roof. There's your control panel for the water pump, the water heater, both LP gas and electric. This is clearly a family-friendly, compact RV with everything you need to get started and take as many people as you like, as long as it's 5 or less. And you got a great place there for dining, the pull-out, of course, the bed. So what a great little RV to take on your next adventure. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of this 2022 Venture RV Sonic Light Travel Trailer SL169 VUD. Starting price, 23 grand. We have about $10,000 worth of upgrades and options on this sample right here. What a great entry into the RV lifestyle. And again, all you need is a vehicle that can tow 5,000 pounds, which will be more than enough to haul this 5-passenger travel trailer. Again, a big thanks and shout out to my friends over at Click It RV in Spokane, Washington, for allowing me to share this with you. You can see all their contact information, services, and complete inventory, both new and used, by visiting clickitrv.com or clicking the link below this video. I'm gonna leave you with one last look of this travel trailer, both inside and out, set to music. Hope you enjoy it, and thanks again for watching. Adios. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.